Hello, TypeTwice here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily add audio into your presentations in PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I created a new PowerPoint presentation right here. And let's say we actually want to add some audio. We can do that in a really easy way. So the first thing you want to do is to go up to your top bar right here, and you want to press on this insert. From here you will get all of these options, and you want to go over to the right side of the screen where it says audio right here, and you want to just press on this. And in here you can choose two different options. You can choose audio on my PC, and you can also record audio in PowerPoint. I have already downloaded some audio on my computer, so in my case I'll just choose the first one right here and just press on it. Let's just find the audio clip right here, and when you have found your audio, just press on it and choose the insert right here. And as you can see, you will get this speaker icon, and you can actually just move this around just as you would like. And the way you actually play the audio is by just clicking on this play button right here. And as you can see, when we press on this, the audio will begin. And this works in your presentation. So if you just start the presentation, you can see that every time you hover over this speaker icon, you can just press on the play right here, and the audio will start. So yeah, that is actually how to add audio to your presentation in PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.